Reworking BIM models is costly, and poor collaboration is often the cause. At BIMcollab, we make collaboration easy. Data silos, limited model access, and unchecked model quality can lead to confusion, delays, and rework, sometimes as much as 40%. With centralized access, BIMcollab lets teams spot issues early, collaborate smoothly, and meet project requirements without delays or confusions. Take our BIMcollab web viewer. Your team can navigate through complex models online with ease, bringing stakeholders together in a federated model to improve coordination and make decisions faster. You can even view prepared data lists in the web viewer to help find the right building elements and get a grip on the information you need even faster. Centralized, federated models keep your teams aligned, preventing mistakes from outdated information. Collaboration goes beyond just sharing models. It's about preventing issues from even arising. BIMcollab's shared checking rules help ensure your model and project requirements are met, preventing issues from escalating. You can easily share these rules with your team to minimize alignment errors across teams. What can better collaboration mean for your project? Fewer errors, fewer delays, and a smoother workflow delivering the quality your company stands for. BIMcollab helps you focus on what matters. Get your team aligned today. Visit our resources or reach out to us with any of your questions. We will be happy to show you how BIMcollab enhances collaboration.